Welcome to today's lesson on simplifying fractions. Let's start by considering the fraction 75 over 100. To simplify a fraction, we want to ensure the greatest common factor, or GCF, of the numerator and denominator is 1. We do this by dividing both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor. So, how do we find this GCF? Well, let's start by finding the prime factorization of both numbers. Let's start with 75. It is divisible by 3, and that gives us 25. 25 can be further divided by 5, resulting in 5. Therefore, the prime factorization of 75 is 3 times 5 times 5. Next, let's find the prime factorization of 100. Divide it by 2, and that gives us 50. Divide 50 by 2, and that results in 25, and dividing 25 by 5 gives us 5. Hence, the prime factorization of 100 is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Now, to find the greatest common factor, we look for the numbers that are present in both factorizations. In this case, both factorizations have 2 5s, so the greatest common factor is 5 times 5, which is 25. Now that we know the greatest common factor is 25, we can divide both the numerator and denominator of our original fraction by 25. By doing so, we get our simplified fraction of 3/4. And there you have it. The fraction 75 over 100 simplifies to 3/4. Remember, simplifying fractions involves finding the greatest common factor and dividing both the numerator and denominator by it. This makes the fraction easier to work with in mathematical calculation.